Good morning, everyone. We worked with VMware to create the VMmark3 benchmark automation tool. My name is Nicole Hippolito.
Miguel Fuentes.
Daniel Mora.
And I'm Brian Little.
So a little background. VMware is a tech company that works with the cloud and virtualized platforms. One of their many products is VMmark3, which is a benchmarking tool used by hardware vendors to measure statistics of their virtualized platforms. And each VMmark3 submission is currently reviewed manually and takes about 4 hours to be completed. And this is when our project comes in, which hopefully cuts the review time by half and partially automating the review process.
So knowing that each submission takes about 4 hours for an engineer at the company to review, we knew that we needed to create a solution to this problem by creating an automatic program to help cut this time down vastly. One thing that we needed to make sure happened is that this program was cross-platform, and to solve this problem we just elected to use Python as our language of choice. Next we take there's a large amount of files in each submission, and each file has a large amount of lines of just plain text. And this needs to be quickly evaluated for compliance issues and output into a resulting text document. And to solve this, we group each file into a specific type and then apply a certain method to it, which would then apply a corresponding algorithm to increase this or decrease the runtime of our application.
As far as the approach, each file had data that specifically needed to be checked in different ways. So we worked close with our industry mentors to see how each file needed to be checked. And for the overall architecture, the program or the application runs through a GUI or a graphical user interface. And later on, we added support for the application to run through the command line. And for the design or the development rather, as stated before by Brian, because we needed to check specific data in multiple files, Python was chosen for this project to move forward. And once each file was done, unit testing was done to check the unit cases for each file, and then documentation to log the functions of every file. And once this was done, the cycle repeated for all other files in a submission.
And as a result, using all the quick algorithms to do all the quick comparisons, we have the sample execution of our program, and using one of the versions, in this case going straight to command line. So pretty much we have to go through the numerous amounts of files, and then we have to give out a report. And then based on our result, we managed to get our results within a matter of a few seconds. Now we also have the GUI version, which we have buttons to prompt the users for grabbing the specific file that we need to do all the comparisons. One, for example, grabbing the disclosure compared to what the company reported on what they're going to say, and compared to the actual result that was given. We want to give a special thanks to all our mentors, so James, Juan, Venkat, Satya, and especially Paige. Thank you.